Hi everyone, my name is Bharat Balaji and I'm here to introduce about our project, which is not just a project but a solution to all your medical problems, which is Hospy. The term Hospy expands to hospital availability. We all have to agree the fact that we are living in a modern world, not just any modern world. In this modern world, every people are aiming to go faster without knowing the side effects, and due to going faster very uncertain events can happen. Some people go fast due to their own fun reasons, and some people run to provide a living for their loved ones. They work really hard despite the circumstances that surround them. But imagine a situation where their loved ones get hurt or met by an accident or have any disease. Just imagine how much pain they have to go through and how much stress they have to go through. So, what if we find a solution that will wipe off all their tears, that will wipe off all their stress, and the process they have to go through? First of all, they have to call the ambulance, they have to wait for the ambulance, then you have to call to the hospitals whether they have vacancies or not. And the process may seem simple, but it is very complicated. So, what if we make that process very simple? What if we wipe off the tears of those who work for their loved ones?
Hi guys, myself Abhinav from CSEA. Our Hospy is a free application which enables us to connect with the doctors and hospitals directly. And our app, in our app we use GPS in ambulance. It will be very useful for the ambulance drivers to locate our location very quicker. And we can also provide the current status of any hospital. For example, availability of ambulance, availability of missionary equipment, ICU wards, beds, etc. In this pandemic situation, we all know there is a scarcity for oxygen cylinders. So many hospitals did not provide a proper bed for the patients. This is why for this we have created our app Hospy to know how many oxygen cylinders are available in a hospital.
Hello everyone. According to the 7+ page area, in 7 innovation industry verticals, our project is based on the healthcare. In 5 innovation technologies, we used IoT, Internet of Things.
Our app is created to get aware about the emergency situation and make people to handle those situations easier. And you can also monitor each and every seconds of the selected hospital, and you can book the tokens of for your particular hospital. And instead of waiting for the hospital, you can also drive to the hospital using the app data, and you can also monitor the ambulance by using GPS. If you log in as a doctor, you can also upload some basic medical videos. Thank you.
Hello, myself A. Hariprasad. Again, we explain about problem statement. Our app is utilized to handle the emergency situations without the fear, and we can conserve the time. In spite of an accident is happened, we want to depend upon the ambulance. But by using our app, we are independent. And then we can collect up-to-date information about a particular hospital that you are selected. And fourth, we can get medical knowledge, and we can do the first aid treatment when you that videos are uploaded by the doctors. You can treat yourself in house about the treatments. And fourth point, the doctors can also log into the page, and they can also upload the videos and video clips to the patients. And then the app is very will drive us to very flexibility to the patients, and it is a model era of a hospitality.
I am going to explain the ideal part. This app used for not for age limit. This app available both in iOS and Android platform will define medical knowledge. This app creating in the Python language. Our ultimate goal, save time and every people someone important medical knowledge.
In data flow diagram, first the login page is open. In the login page, we have username and your email ID and your password. Then, if you log in as a doctor, you can upload many medical video tips and first aid video. If you are logged in as a user, you can see all the videos uploaded by the doctors. The doctors can access their videos at any time.
Let us see the list of modules. In the point of user want to log in first and they can search hospitals and they look for the hospitals availability and they can search for basic medical video. In the view of doctor want to log in first and they can also read the comments of the user and they can upload some basic medical videos, etc.
Hello friends, the topic is model descriptions. There are two major roles, the users and the doctors. The user first of all can log into the page with their own account and they can search to the hospitals nearby them, and then they can get the up-to-date information about the particular hospitals, and they can get the GPS network of the hospitals, the ambulance, whether the ambulance come to the place or the patients can move to the hospitals. And then they can see the video clips and first aid clips that are uploaded by the doctors, and they can comment below the video that can be seen by the doctors. And the doctors role, doctors can also log in with their personal account and they can upload the video clips and medical clips, and the doctor can see the comments and all the feedbacks that are given by the patients at the below of the videos. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain to the implementation part. You can first enter the username and password. You can sign in. You can see the Google map. You can see the nearby hospital of location. You can choose one hospital. You can see the bed availability lots and oxygen cylinder availability lots. You can small problem. You can to solve topmost doctors first aid videos in this app.
So, before concluding our presentation, I want to let you know that the Hospy app we have developed is not just our project but a collaborative effort by our team to make a better society and to make the people in society comfortable.